In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate objects in Polotno Studio. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your browser and go to studio.polotno.com. This is where all the action happens. If you already have a project you've been working on, go ahead and load it up. If not, you can start fresh with a blank canvas or pick a template to speed things up. Templates are a great way to explore layout ideas without starting from scratch. Once your design is on the screen, click on the specific item you want to animate. This could be a text box, an image, a shape, or an icon. You should see a selection outline around it, confirming that it's active. Selecting the item is important because the controls you need only appear when something is selected. Now look at the toolbar along the top of the screen. When your item is selected, you'll see an option labeled Animate. If you don't see it right away, make sure the item is still selected and that you're not in a text editing mode. A quick click on the canvas and then back on the item usually does the trick. Click Animate to open the animation options. You'll find several choices: move, fade, zoom, rotate, blink, and bounce. Each one brings a different feel to your design. Move shifts the item across the canvas, great for guiding the viewer's eye. Fade smoothly reveals or hides an element for a clean, professional look. Zoom enlarges or reduces the item for emphasis. Rotate spins the element, which can add playful energy when used lightly. Blink makes the item appear and disappear, useful for quick attention grabs. Bounce adds a lively spring-like motion that's perfect for fun or informal designs. As you pick an animation, think about the tone of your project. Subtle motions like fade and zoom often feel polished and are easier to pair with other elements. Bigger motions like bounce or rotate can be eye-catching, but a little goes a long way. Keeping your choices consistent across similar elements helps the whole design feel intentional. You can apply different animations to different items in the same project. Just select each one, open the Animate option, and choose the effect you want. If something looks too busy, switch to a simpler animation or remove it by selecting none in the same panel. That's all there is to it. Go to studio.polotno.com, open or start a project, select your item, and use the animate controls to add move, fade, zoom, rotate, blink, or bounce. With a few thoughtful choices, your designs will feel dynamic and polished.